In this demo, we will present our novel trip planning system named TISP. TISP includes a front end and a back end. Users interacting with the visualized user interface at the front end will generate a specific type of query at the back end. Then, a search engine is employed based on the unified index. The visualization will be refreshed based on the query result returned via the object ranker. Users might generate some knowledge from the visualization, further complete their trips, and then once again interact with the system. TISP is initialized with a transfer graph on top of a map to give users an overview of popular tourist attractions in the target city. Each circle represents an attraction. Size is determined by the popularity and color corresponds to the attraction type. Popular attraction pairs are linked with edges. When you hover over an attraction, those attractions that travelers visit together will be highlighted. From the selection panel on the left, you can filter out attractions based on attraction types, or search by keywords. The transfer graph will be refreshed based on the query result. You can also click on the attraction to check its details. Popular activities around the attraction will be visualized in the word cloud. You can add those activities to your favorite list with a simple click. And of course, you can select the attraction and add it to your favorite list. After you have an attraction in your list which you want to visit, now you might be wondering, where should I visit next? To click on Where Else to Go? A pair pattern view is displayed to show other attractions that travelers often visit together. Here attractions are placed in a clockwise fashion based on the popularity of the attraction pair. You can also choose from this view to add another attraction to your favorite list. Now, you have already selected some attractions and activities. You can search for previous travelers' trips by the attractions and activities. The result will be visualized in the trip list view. Here, each line is a different trip ranked by the query result, and each trip is visualized with linked attractions. The length of the edge is defined by the travel time between two attractions. You can also select attractions from this view, or save the whole trip to your favorite list. After exploring and add some attractions to your trip, now you might want to discover nearby facilities such as restaurants. In the detailed view of an attraction, you can click on the Nearby Restaurants button. Nearby restaurants will be shown on top of the map based on the query result. Here, a word cloud describes popular features of those nearby restaurants. You can choose the features by directly clicking on it. Then, an advanced query will be generated to find the restaurants that contain those selected features, and the result will be refreshed. You can also click on the restaurant icon to check its details and add it to your favorite list. Sleeping well is essential for a good trip. Now you have selected some attractions and restaurants, you can click on the Search for Hotels button here. Those hotels with minimum aggregate distance to the selected attractions will be shown on top of the map. A word cloud will be generated based on popular keywords related to hotels. You can also click on the keywords to select related hotels. You can also choose the price range from the selection panel. After you are satisfied with the hotel, you can also add it to your favorite list. Once you have gathered a series of discrete attractions, activities, restaurants, and hotels, the last step is to connect them and recommend the optimal sequence routes, which aims to achieve the minimum travel time. Specifically, the travel time is composed by the time spent on attractions, restaurants, and transportations. Thank you for your watching.